Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your funds with Square, detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your funds with Square, begin by gathering all necessary information about your transaction. Access your Square account through the official Square website or the mobile app. Log into your account using your registered email address and password. Navigate to the Transactions section to locate the specific transaction related to the funds you wish to recover. Once you find the transaction, click on it to view its details. Review the transaction information thoroughly, including the date, amount, and recipient details. Look for any options or links indicating a dispute or refund. If a dispute option is available, click on it to initiate the process. Fill out any required forms with accurate information regarding your case. Be sure to provide any evidence or documentation that supports your claim. After submitting your dispute, monitor your email for updates regarding your case. If there's no dispute option, consider reaching out to Square's customer support. Prepare to provide essential details when you contact customer support, including the transaction ID. Explain your situation clearly and ask for guidance on recovering your funds. Follow the instructions given by the customer support representative. Keep records of all your communications with Square for future reference. Wait for Square to review your case, which may take several days. Check your email regularly for any notifications or updates regarding the status of your claim. Once your case is resolved, Square will communicate the outcome and any next steps. If funds are to be returned, confirm that they are deposited back into your account. For any unresolved issues, consider following up with Square to ensure your case is addressed. Document everything throughout the process for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.